Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to deploy your Google AI Studio app on Vercel. First, open Google AI Studio and create your app. Make sure your app is working the way you want before you move forward. Once you are ready to publish it, look at the top right corner of the AI Studio interface and click on Save to GitHub. This option will allow you to upload your app's code directly to your GitHub repository. Now, go to vercel.com and sign in using your preferred method. Once you are on the home page, click on Import Project. This option lets you connect your GitHub repository to Vercel. If this is your first time using GitHub with Vercel, you will need to authorize Vercel to access your GitHub account. Simply follow the prompts to give permission. After authorization, you will see a list of all your GitHub repositories. Find the one that contains your Google AI Studio app and select it. Vercel will automatically detect your project settings and prepare it for deployment. Once you have reviewed everything, click on Import. Then click on Deploy. The deployment process will start automatically. Vercel will build your app, and in a short time, it will give you a live link where your app is hosted. If you go to that link, you will see your AI Studio app running live on the web. You can share that link with anyone or connect a custom domain to make it look more professional. Thanks for watching.